Let's check out this trail cam from iZeeker. I needed a new trail cam, so I bought this one based on reviews and features. So let's look at the camera first. We'll take a look at the extras and stuff in the box there in a bit. Get it to stay out of the picture there. So if we open it up here, I can see a couple of interesting things. The way that the batteries go in, first off, is really neat. And the clasps here are like 3 pieces, and they've got actual metal wire. I'm really impressed with the build of this one. So as we open it up, we have our IR cameras. We have a screen for monitoring it. The buttons are really easy to use. The on-off button here. We can charge it with USB-C. The SD card goes into the side there. And it looks like you could use your older, larger cards. And then I really like this battery compartment on the back. The batteries are going to slide in, and then this will come in and lock down. Otherwise, it has your standard attachments. Really looking forward to using this trail cam.